My name is Manuel. I'm an anesthesia technologist, and I'm from Los Angeles, California, and I'm a DACA recipient. I'm part of the Winter 2020 California Mexico Dreamers Study Abroad, and the reason why I applied to this program is because I want to explore my heritage. I came to the United States when I was 10 years old with my mother and my brother. At the age of 14, my mom went back to Mexico because my grandfather was diagnosed with cancer and she wanted to take care of him. After 6 months, he passed away, and I haven't seen my mother ever since. And the reason of this video is because the parole will help me to see her again, also to be able to see the place that I was born. And I want to ask Lucille Allard-Roybal to please help me to get that approval for parole. And not only me, but all the DACA recipients that are applying for parole. And I still have a lot to offer to the U.S. This is the place where I grew up. This is my community. I have all my memories here. But I also want to explore the country where I was born. I want to see my mother, my father, my siblings. And maybe it will be the last time that I see them. I haven't seen them in more than 10 years. And I don't know if I'll ever see them again. I want to give them a hug. I know this is the hard times, but I haven't seen them in more than 10 years. And they left to Mexico, and this is my chance. I think this is my chance, and maybe it will be the last time that I see my parents. And I really want to see them. I can't emphasize that too much. Thank you.